Welcome to Occam's Razors Gardening, Cooking, and Canning. It's a glorious rainy day. Very glorious. Free rain from the sky. Well, guess what's been going on here, eh? We have flowering occurring on the raspberry bush. Especially noticed these here yesterday. Yeah. Outstanding. All right, well, the compost pile is, as usual, the scream of the entire neighborhood for the little critters. There's so many things I toss in here that they just munch on instead of my garden, which is very good. Well, with all this rain, I don't think the peonies will open today. These have all just been blooming. Now these did start opening up, but now they've closed up. All right, let's go all the way down the line here. How are we doing? Mostly good? Let's get down here to the peonies. Oh yes. Okay, while we're here, let's look at the beans. Still struggling along. And growing in some cases. Squirrels are active this morning. Come on, squirrel. You can pass. I'm not going to eat you. He's not coming by. Oh, no, he is. He's coming by. Come on. Come on, little fella. Come on. There he is. Come on. Oh, there's another one there. It's Squirrel Central. What? Are you guys just waiting for me to throw some food out? Not gonna happen. I'm growing food here. Alright, the corn potatoes are doing fine. There we go. I was just reading yesterday about squirrel feed. They say peanuts doesn't provide them much nutrition. No shit. I've stopped eating peanut butter. I should read some of the nasty stuff. After about 3 months when it's sitting on the shelf, in some cases, yes, bacteria starts to grow in there. It's not really good for the gut. Reduces the effectiveness of your gut bacteria. It's cheap food. Squirrels don't know any better. They're not going to mind. Well, the potatoes are just doing fantastic. All right, well, let's move on to the onion. Yes, our onions all just doing fine. You can see all the little spindly. Still got a handful of winter onions still sitting there. I have to pick those up soon. The rest of them are doing just fine. And I have got more dill than I can shake a stick at. That's good. Let it grow like a weed. Best to have a lot of dill handy when you're pickling. Well, you're pickling with dill. The carrots continue to grow. Some tiny little sprouts of nothing. Finally getting the carrot tops. Meanwhile, the zucchini is starting to outpace the speed at which they grow compared to the other squashes. And look at this plant already. It really expanded from yesterday. And these here, they'll all be like this one. Probably by tomorrow. Especially with today's rain. Well, maybe not as much. It's not supposed to be that warm today. Could be wrong. Could go up to 24. Ah, yes. Can't put it off anymore. I am going to have to make the turmeric mix today. These squashes are just doing fine. Give thanks for the bounty that is growing. Never have too much sage. Wow. All I did is plant a couple of seeds 3 years ago. Things gone bananas. And the rest of the sage here doing well. I'm going to have to trim this sage back after it flowers. I know it's taking a bit of the sun from the squash. It's not like I don't have enough squash growing. And of course peas still growing. I expect they should be giving some fruit soon. They've only got another foot to grow. All right. Well, sometimes it's kind of hard to see the pictures that I'm recording here because of the rain on the screen. And hope we get some good footage. All right, well, let's make our way to the front and see how the front is doing. It's a nice, warm, rainy day, actually. Very warm. Well, after coming out of a cold spring, when it's 15 degrees out and raining. Feels warm, I guess. Hey, just got a chance. There we go. Not much growth from yesterday. And you're probably a milkweed. Let's see how our fella in the corner is doing. Oh, yeah. Rain. I'm trying to cover him. There we go. Fighting chance. Speaking of fighting chances, how's this little fella doing? Good. All right. Well, the corner one is surviving. Oh, they're just exploding with growth. That's good. I like it. And they're not doing too bad either. Okay. Now, let's have a look at the bird shit berry bush. Great. I've zoomed in the camera and my fingers are wet. And now I can't change the camera screen. Great. All right, well, let's go in and have a closer look. Obviously the camera wants me to have a closer look. See if I can unzoom this. There we go. Finally. Well, these are really picking up. Look at this. Now with all these long shoots here, these long fresh shoots, that aren't going to produce any fruit. Sometimes I rip some of these out as I make my path through. They just grab onto you. I think the plant grows them on purpose to keep larger animals away because of all the thorns. Doesn't work though. Birds still come in and eat it if the humans don't pick it. Good. Gonna get a lot of berries. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.